So according to the Wall Street Journal, the DMV is a fun place to go now. The AAMVA, which is the Association of Motor Vehicle Administrators, has put an article that says the DMV is no longer a bureaucratic purgatory, saying that it's a nice place to go. They have this nice picture of a more modern convenience. So we'd like to hear your feedback on dealing with the DMV. The Trade Association, which you'll see their website here, this is actually a really good group of professionals that run DMVs, and they're also part of associated industries, auctions, banks, sometimes dealerships, have a best practices contribution to motor vehicle processes and how it works. And according to their press release, it says states have made a real effort to change the experience, try to break down the stereotype with real investment in time and money. We deal with DMV all the time. We talk to them 40, 50 times a day, working on files for clients. And we get a sense for, there's a big variation from different states about how the DMV works. They're talking about having upgraded computer systems, slashing wait times, and skipping DMV altogether sometimes. And it says government-run DMVs are partly being inspired by private companies' focus on customer experience, meaning that in the private sector, there's more of a dedication and interest in having customer experience, where at the government side, sometimes not so much. In California, it said that they spent a lot of money switching to digital documents, saving a lot of money. They partnered up with Cisco Systems to look at the different experiences customers have. Talks about how DMVs now offer online appointments. Well, that happened during the pandemic. And even in Oregon, they put $90 million to update its computer system. So the question is, has that made a difference for consumers in doing their DMV business? Here's a concept in New York about how they want to redo their office to make it look more like a modern environment. This looks kind of like going to the cell phone store, where it's a more modern environment, not like a government office. Colorado upgraded its system in 2018, has kiosks. It even has a mobile office that can travel to customers rather than you having to go to DMV. So the question is, does the DMV deserve its reputation as being a difficult place to do business? It's probably local. It's probably depending on what state you're in. So we'd like to hear your feedback on what your experience is with the DMV. Is it still difficult? Are you having problems? Or is it more modernized and easier to get done your vehicle titling process?